All right, first things first. Let's assess the coverage area. What you need to do is measure the size and layout of the space. This will give you a clear idea of the area you need to cover. Next up, let's identify any obstacles. Take note of walls, furniture, and other barriers that might interfere with your signal. These can have a big impact on your coverage. Now let's determine the device density. You'll want to estimate the number of connected devices. This helps in planning how robust your network needs to be. Finally, it's time to choose the appropriate hardware. Select routers, access points, and antennas that best suit your needs. This will ensure you have a strong and reliable network. Plan access point placement. Position access points for optimal coverage, minimizing interference. Set up SSIDs. Create separate networks for different user groups, for example, guests and employees. All right, let's configure security. Use strong encryption like WPA3, and don't forget to set up firewalls. This will help keep your network safe and secure. Now, let's move on to optimizing your channels. Select non-overlapping channels to reduce interference. This step is crucial for a smooth and fast network experience. Next, it's time to test the network. Check for any dead spots and adjust your access points as needed. This ensures that you have consistent coverage throughout your space. Finally, regularly monitor performance. Check signal strength and network load to ensure everything is running smoothly. Keeping an eye on these metrics can help you catch and fix issues early on.